Permit me to introduce myself. Hercule Poirot.
If I were to commit a crime, I should like to keep it very simple.
He's been murdered.
Murdered?
Stabbed through the heart.
What we're searching for is a murderer who is impulsive, who will seize the opportunity, whatever the risk.
13 years ago, I killed my husband.
You filthy little pervert!
We see those around us, and we think we know them. She thinks she has outfoxed Hercule Poirot, but no. I must be right, because I am never wrong.
I thought you were supposed to be good at this.
You will not have her dead!
Did you shoot him?
I want the son of a bitch locked up.
I saw who it was. Oh, God.
What you craved was the savagery of murder. Et voila! I know why.